Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पळय आज प्रत्येक राजकारण्यान एक गोष्ट लक्षात घेवपाक जाय की आपूण जिखपा खातीर इमिजिएट आपलो फायदो पळोवन जे थापाचे तारी करता और गुरखाचे डिसोजा करता फाल्यां तालिगांव जर थापाचे मनसेरात चड जाले और तारी जर चड जाले जाल्यार बाबुशाक वचून काटामांडू इलेक्शनाक रावचो पडटलो गोंय सोडून. इतलें तांच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी लक्षात दवरपाचें.
थापाचे तारी जावं आनीक डिसोजा हे सरनेम चेंज करता सो तेजेर तुजें कितें आहा? पणजेनी खुबश्यो गोश्टी घडटात अशें.
That you don't ask me, that I don't know about the changes of name.
His concern to revenue
Changes of name come through the proper procedure. It has been advertised on the this thing, plus it is gazetted and all. Whoever has got to put objection, let them put an objection. So we cannot basically stop anyone doing anything, no? It is a process. If you can do through process, something it is happening. So the people who have those people should object to it.
सर कायदो चेंज जावपाचो दृश्टीकोन म्हणटा अशें नांवांचें चेंज जाल्यार गोंयांची आयडेंटिटी कितें जाता तें.
Just see, if one, two fellows try to misuse the system, you cannot say basically the system is bad.